All right, Sedge, what are we doing?
Okay, so check it out. This is the bench. We've been moving around the shop, trying to get more room, get it more organized. And guess what? We're always going to be organized in here. But the one thing I forgot, and I noticed it yesterday when I was hand sawing something, my curve was crooked, and it sounds weird. Okay, but we're in a garage, and all garages have a pitch.
Yes, they do.
So what you need to always do is level your bench where you finally place it. So if we come in here, cameraman, you'll see this. And you look at this level right here. We want to bring it level. And we're going to look at that, and I'm going to tell you, that's out about 3/8 of an inch. So what we'll do is we'll get it to level, and we'll use the levelers on the bottom. So one of the things I'll show you is you want to keep it level, or you want to get it level, but you don't want to knock it off.
Right.
Okay, so what I do is I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I count on that one. It's just something really easy, kind of lame, but it's always worked for me. Then what we'll do is we'll slowly lower it like this off of the wheels. One more time. How's that looking?
That's the one. That's it.
And let's bring it in and look. It's right in between where I want it. Yeah, get right in between. And there we go. So we got it going great this way.
Yep.
There's no wobble in the bench, but what I always verify in several different locations, I want a north-south reference. It's dead on where I want it.
Beauty.
Okay, but I'll also check some diagonals as well. Exactly where I want it. Exactly where I want it. Now what's great is this is gonna sound funny, but now this is our benchmark. So when we're like leveling a stool, something like this, I know this is level. So now I can mark my legs. If there was a wobble in here, I would mark them and cut them. You've got to start with level, and it's good to have level on all surfaces.
That's awesome.
So there you go. So now that's our benchmark, and as we always say,
Be positive.
stay sharp.